Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel.
This YouTube channel formula is quietly taking over your feed, and almost no one realizes just how powerful it is. It's not about AI girlfriends or fake podcasts. It's something far more creative and insanely addictive. We're talking about a new kind of faceless storytelling that blends humor, nostalgia, and surreal realism into a format that's pulling millions of views with almost no production budget. Most people see these clips and think it's just another quirky trend. But what if I told you there's a viral structure hiding beneath it? A content style so addictive it makes people keep watching, share it with friends, and come back for more. The craziest part? Almost no one is building full story arcs in this space yet. That means if you start right now, you're ahead of 99% of creators. You don't need a camera, a script, or even your voice. Just the right AI tools and a few minutes a day. So don't scroll away. I'm going to walk you through exactly how this niche works, how to build your own viral universe from scratch, and which tools will do most of the heavy lifting for you. This isn't just about content. It's your chance to become the storyteller of the future. First, go to Gemini. Think of it like your own animation studio. And your prompt is the director's instructions. Once you're there, ask it to make your first video. This will be your opening scene, the start of the story. You can type something like, make a video of Bigfoot and Yeti vlogging outside in a foggy forest in the Pacific Northwest during sunrise in a cinematic style. Try not to be basic. Think like a filmmaker. Mention things like lighting, camera angles, and mood. The more details you give, the better the video will look. Once Gemini makes the video, watch it carefully. Is the quality good? Does it feel right? If not, change the prompt and try again. Don't worry. This back and forth process is normal and helps you get amazing results. Now let's move to the next part of the story. A good story needs action. Make a second video that shows what the characters are doing. Go back to Gemini and ask it to create a video of Bigfoot and Yeti looking for glowing mushrooms in a dark forest using a lantern for light. This adds some mystery and makes the characters more interesting. It's no longer just two creatures standing around. Now there's a story happening. Check the second video carefully too. Once you're happy with both the vlog scene and the mushroom hunting scene, save them. Now you have the basic pieces for your first viral video episode. Now it's time to edit your video and make it look like a real movie. Go to CapCut. This is where you'll put your story together and add the final touches to make it look high quality. Start a new project and add both of your videos. Drag them onto the timeline so they play one after the other. Congrats, you're now a storyteller. Decide which clip you want to show first, the vlog or the mushroom scene. Think about what feels better, starting with a wide view of the forest or jumping straight into the action. Next, let's make the video look more cinematic. Go to the Effects tab and search for the black noise effect. Drag this onto both clips. This adds a soft film grain that makes your video feel like an old found footage movie. Perfect for cryptid stories. Now add a custom adjustment layer over the entire timeline. This will help you control how the video looks and make it feel more professional. Change two settings. Saturation. Set it to 10. This makes the colors stand out a little more. Forests will look greener, and lanterns will glow warmer without looking fake. Vignette. Set it to 10. This darkens the edges of the screen and helps focus attention on Bigfoot and Yeti in the middle. It's a classic movie trick. Once everything looks good, export your video in the highest resolution. Now you're ready to share your cryptid creation with the world.
Hey everyone, Bigfoot here, coming at you live from the misty PNW.
And Yeti. Sunrise is pretty epic.
If you really want to turn this type of content into more than just a fun side project, if you want to build a real brand, then you should join my private Discord community. Inside, I explain everything. How I plan viral AI stories, how I write powerful prompts, how I edit, and how I make money from it all. You'll also get weekly updates on trends, my personal prompt library, and direct feedback on your videos. If you're ready to stop guessing and start growing something real, the link is in the description. That's it for this tutorial. See you in the next one.